Kerry Katona looked windswept as she arrived for Steph's packed lunch in Leeds on Friday. With her hood firmly up, the former Atomic Kitten singer, 41, braced Storm Eunice's high winds as she walked to the studio. Kerry went makeup-free ahead of her television appearance and cut a casual figure as she paired the hoodie with acid-wash jeans. The television personality accessorized her ensemble with a Louis Vuitton crossbody bag and opted for comfort on her feet with white trainers. She carried a large suitcase also from the designer, presumably with her TV outfit inside. Despite the ferocious winds, Kerry appeared in high spirits as she arrived for the show. Late last month, Kerry revealed she's unhappy with her body in a new workout video shared to her YouTube. The former pop star even went so far as to say she doesn't feel comfortable going to gym classes as everyone is staring at me because of who I am. Kerry was joined by her daughter DJ, 7, in the motivational clip and performed a workout that's easy for her subscribers to follow. She said, "If you're anything like me, when a new year comes you want a new you, fresh start and new beginnings. And I most certainly want to get myself fit and in shape." She went on, "You know me, I'm always complaining, look at the size of my legs, they're like tree trunks.